This coach has three like sewer roof vents. All three of them are totally rotted away. And then the fridge vent is starting to get bad, so I just ordered it. It probably had another year or two on it, but I'm going to be up there. I'm going to do it all. So. These are very, very simple procedures. I mean, you know, you remove the old one with a few screws, you cut away the old original die core, put the new screws in, put some new die core down. I mean, it's real simple. Here's the one. Number 2 is over there behind, or on the other side of the roof vent there, and then you can see it, the third one way over there. So, yeah. But you know, you peel back all this. Unscrew that, pop in the new one. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. And 2 minutes later, we got the new vent on. All right, so the new vent covers are on. As you can see, nice shiny, and they have tops. So basically, all the rain, all the nasties, we're going down into them and then into the holding tanks. So that one there's for the front gray. That one there is the black tank for the toilet, and that's the other gray for the shower. Now, I mean, I'm walking around up here. That corner right there, there's a little soft spot because no one's ever washed and sealed this roof. So I put a little bit now. Then there was this little hole. Oh, I gotta get a different angle. There was a little hole there. And that's what Gander RV just threw a patch on. But then they told me that there was a split in the roof and the rubber membrane from there underneath the air conditioner. I just put some Dicor over that just to stop because we got more rain coming. But I do not see this split. Now, I don't know if they thought I was going to say, hey, you know what, you guys do the roof and pay them. But anyway. So, fridge vent's on. This one's slightly different since, you know, over the years, you know, some of the companies have merged and whatnot, or were purchased or bought out. So this one has different screw holes that you got to drill yourself. Then it has this open square bit here if you put in the solar panel for the fan. I don't know. We may or may not try that. Unfortunately, I ran out of Dicor and I'm running out of light. Around the TV antenna, all that Dicor was, all, you know, that sealant was shot. So I put enough on to cover it, but I want to peel that and go new. And then in the front corner there, towards the, where you can see the HHR, there's a soft spot there. It's, I don't know, maybe like about like that. Again, no roof maintenance has been done. I'm going to show you the pictures of what these slide outs actually looked like before I cleaned them. Now, saying that, I just cleaned the debris off of them. I'm going to get up here in another day or two and go ahead and just scrub everything down because it's definitely needing it. But I want the Dicor to have a chance to dry. Yeah. And then over there is Betsy and Piper. Piper's on her phone playing some kind of game or watching, and Betsy's doing whatever. So I'm losing light, and I didn't bring the DJI up here because it's so much smaller. So I brought this camera up and kind of to show you what's going on. But When I was in RV sales, I used to tell people, you know, a couple tubes of Dicor and and a weekend of scrubbing, cleaning, whatever, is going to save you thousands in the end. And this is just proof. There is damage to this coach that doesn't have to be, because all they had to do is, you know, $30-$40 worth of some Dicor, go around, clean it. You know, you don't even have to do it every year, depending on how you drive or where you're at. This obviously was under trees. It was, you know, and it has storm damage. I mean, there's marks on here that definitely show it. The awning was ripped off. There's some dents in the siding and all that. So it definitely had some storm damage from a tree or something falling on it. So that can't be helped. That's going to happen. But if it happens, fix it. You know, if you can't fix the dent or whatever, put some kind of sealant on it to at least stop water from coming in. I don't know. I guess that's my pet peeve. But until next time, happy trails, and we'll see you soon.